So this is the photodiode. You can see this is the notch of this photodiode. So how to use the photodiode, how to identify the terminals of the photodiode. So here you can see this is the photodiode terminals. Here one terminal, it is connected to the whole body, and another terminal is completely isolated from this body. So here, so this is called as a cathode, which is connected to the body, and this is called as a anode. So here photodiodes require the reverse biasing voltage, so that this one anode of this photodiode नेगेटिव टर्मिनल कौन सा है और उसको वोल्टेज कैसे देते हैं. एक्चुअली फोटोडायोड को हम बाइसिंग जो रिवर्स बाइसिंग देते हैं यानी उसको रिवर्स वोल्टेज अप्लाई करते हैं जनरली. तो ये देखिए ये एक फोटोडायोड है. तो यहाँ पे जो नॉइज दिखता है यहाँ पे, तो ये बेसिकली जो है इसका एनोड है और ये जो है इसका एक कैथोड है. ये वाला जो दिखता है कैथोड है और ये जो है ये नॉइज दिखता है इसके बाजू का, ये जो लंबा दिखता है आपको, ये वाला जो है इस साइड का जो नॉइज के बाजू में जो दिख रहा है वो है ये जो नॉइज के साइड का है वो जो एनोड है और ये कैथोड है. अगर आपको वोल्टेज सप्लाई देना है तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, ये जो नॉइज के बाजू में जो दिखता है इसको आपको देना पड़ेगा नेगेटिव और इसको देना पड़ेगा आपको पॉजिटिव, तभी ये वर्क कर सकता है. अब देखते हैं कि हम कैसे इसको इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करते हैं. कि ऑलरेडी मैंने किया है ये वाला. तो एक रजिस्टर्स इसको अप्लाई करना है आपको. 330 ओम का मैं यूज़ कर रहा हूँ इसको. So guys, welcome in Tech Amazon YouTube channel. So this is the photodiode kit. So now there is no intensity of light, so that the voltage across the photodiode is 11.52, and here we have applied the power supply 12 volts, and here we have to use millimeters over here, and here we can connect the voltmeter. So here so this is the photodiode we have connected over here across the 12 power supply. This is the resistors, and this is the photodiode. So now this photodiode and cathode is connected to the positive terminals of the power supply, and anode is connected to the negative terminals of the voltage power supply. So right now you can see here there is no intensity of lights, so voltage across is 52. When we will apply the lights over here, then the voltage across this photodiodes will be decreases. So now so you can see here the voltage across will be decreases. So now if we will remove this window, so then the sensitivity of this photodiodes will be increases, and we will get the good results. So now again I will apply the apply the lights. Here you can see here. So voltage will be decreased 0.91, 0.83. So that means it give the proper response for the less distance of lights and high intensity of lights. When we will apply the high intensity of light, then the photodiodes will be fired properly, and voltage across it will be low. And now there is no lights, so that voltage across it high. So this is the experiment of the photodiode kit. In this way, this one circuit you can use.